We have gathered reviews from across the internet to bring you a comprehensive, expert-driven overview of the YuanDian gaming headset neon sign, titled "Can't Hear You, I'm Gaming," designed for game room wall decor and targeted at boys, men, and teen gamers. If you own this product, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help other shoppers make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The YuanDian gaming headset neon sign is a modern USB-powered LED neon light shaped like a gamepad and emblazoned with the phrase, "Can't hear you, I'm gaming." Its primary appeal lies in its ability to instantly transform any gaming space, making it a focal point that radiates both color and personality. This product is marketed as an ideal addition to gaming bedrooms, dens, or entertainment centers, and is also positioned as a thoughtful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion where a gamer might appreciate a stylish upgrade to their setup. The sign is constructed with LED neon tubes that are quiet, noise-free, and do not heat up, ensuring safety even during extended use. The manufacturer claims a lifespan of at least 50,000 hours, which means the sign should provide years of reliable service. The included USB cable is 6.5 feet or 2 meters long, allowing for flexible placement and easy access to power sources such as power banks, phone chargers, computers, or gaming consoles. Notably, the package includes the neon sign itself, a USB cable, 2 transparent hooks for mounting, and a user manual. However, a power adapter is not included, so users will need to supply their own USB power source. In terms of dimensions, the sign measures approximately 11 by 10.6 inches and is extremely slim at just 0.04 inches thick. It weighs 1.56 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to hang on most walls without requiring significant hardware. The mounting process is straightforward, with 3 different options available: clear sticker hooks, a chain, or other standard wall mounting methods. This flexibility allows users to choose the method that best fits their space and aesthetic preferences. User feedback consistently highlights the sign's brightness and visual appeal. Many reviewers were surprised by how bright the sign is, with some initially expecting a dim accent light, but finding the illumination exceeded their expectations. The brightness is adjustable, and while some early reviews suggested otherwise, multiple users confirmed that the sign can indeed be dimmed to suit different moods or lighting conditions. This feature is particularly appreciated in bedrooms or spaces where softer lighting may be desired at times. The design and color execution receive high marks, with the neon effect convincingly mimicking traditional glass neon signs, but with the added benefits of modern LED technology, namely energy efficiency, safety, and durability. The colors are described as vibrant and well-matched, and the sign's overall construction is praised for being clean, sturdy, and well-finished. The tubing is robust, and the long, strong cord adds to the sense of quality. One of the most frequently mentioned advantages is the sign's ease of use. The plug-and-play design means that setup is virtually instantaneous. Simply hang the sign, plug it into a USB port, and switch it on. The presence of an on-off switch on the cable is a thoughtful touch, allowing users to control the light without needing to unplug the device each time. This feature is especially convenient when the sign is powered by a gaming console or computer, as users can quickly toggle the sign on or off as needed. The sign's size is considered ideal for small to medium spaces, such as bedrooms, gaming dens, or even office nooks. It serves as a decorative accent that enhances the overall atmosphere without overwhelming the room. Several reviewers mention using the sign to complement their existing gaming setups, consoles, or themed decor, and report that it draws positive attention from friends and visitors. For those looking to create an immersive gaming environment, the sign delivers both style and substance. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there are some criticisms and areas for improvement noted by users. One recurring issue is the placement of the power cord, which exits from the bottom right corner of the sign. When the sign is hung, the weight of the cord can cause it to pull down on that side, resulting in a slight tilt or uneven appearance. Some users have addressed this by taping the cord to the wall to relieve the strain, but this is an extra step that could have been avoided with a more centrally located or reinforced cord exit point. Another point of contention is the occasional discrepancy between the product's appearance in promotional images and the actual item received. A small number of reviewers felt that the sign did not look exactly like the pictures or that it did not light up as evenly as expected. However, these complaints are in the minority, and most users report that the sign matches the advertised images and performs as described. The inclusion of multiple hanging options is generally appreciated, but some users found the clear sticker hooks less secure than desired, especially over time or on certain wall surfaces. Rehanging the sign with the included chain or using alternative mounting hardware resolve these issues for most. The lightweight design means that even temporary mounting solutions are usually sufficient, but users in high-traffic areas or those seeking a more permanent installation may want to consider additional support. In terms of value, the YuanDian gaming headset Neon sign is frequently described as a great purchase for the price. It stands out among similar products for its combination of brightness, build quality, and ease of use. The sign's durability, as indicated by its long-rated lifespan and sturdy construction, further enhances its value proposition. The lack of a power adapter is a minor inconvenience, but given the ubiquity of USB power sources in most gaming and tech setups, it is unlikely to be a significant drawback for most buyers. From a gifting perspective, the sign is well received by recipients of all ages, but especially by teenagers and young adults who are passionate about gaming. It is often purchased as a birthday or holiday gift, and the positive reactions from recipients are a testament to its appeal. The sign's packaging is minimal but sufficient, with the product arriving safely and ready for immediate use. The sign's noise-free operation and cool-to-the-touch LED tubes make it suitable for continuous use, even in bedrooms or shared spaces where safety and quiet operation are priorities. The absence of batteries means there is no risk of leakage or the need for replacements, and the wired electric power source ensures consistent performance. While the sign is primarily decorative, it also serves a practical function by providing ambient lighting that can enhance the gaming experience. The adjustable brightness allows users to set the mood for late-night gaming sessions, streaming, or simply relaxing in their space. The sign's playful message and iconic gamepad shape make it a conversation starter and a clear declaration of the user's interests. In summary, the YuanDian gaming headset Neon sign is a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their gaming space with a touch of vibrant, customizable lighting. It combines modern LED technology with classic neon aesthetics, offering a safe, durable, and visually striking accent that appeals to gamers of all ages. The sign's ease of installation, adjustable brightness, and multiple mounting options make it accessible to a wide range of users, while its robust construction and long lifespan ensure lasting value. The few drawbacks, such as the cord placement and occasional mounting challenges, are relatively minor and can be easily addressed with simple adjustments. Overall, the sign delivers on its promises and meets or exceeds the expectations of most users, earning high marks for both form and function. With a strong average rating and positive feedback from a diverse user base, it is clear that this product resonates with the gaming community. If you are considering a gift for a gamer or looking to enhance your own gaming environment, the YuanDian gaming headset Neon sign is a compelling option that combines style, performance, and value. Its popularity and positive reviews suggest that it is more than just a decorative accessory. It is a must-have addition to any modern gaming setup. Remember, if you have experience with this product, your feedback in the comments can help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel.